Good morning, y'all. Today we will be annotating Tropical Rainforest, which is the passage that you will be able to find in the Reading and the Content area Social Studies book that is published by Glencoe McGraw-Hill. So, number 2, this passage is primarily, we'll highlight passage is primarily A, an informative article about rainforest. B, a personal narrative about one person's trip to a rainforest. C, a description of the rainforest in Brazil. Or D, the history of rainforest. 3, rainforests are located close to deserts, near the equator, near the South Pole, or in isolated mountain regions. Number 4, the last paragraph suggests that, please highlight last paragraph suggests, lumber and cattle come from rainforests. There is no hope for rainforests because the trees, plants, and animals are gone. West Virginia is a rainforest, or we will be in trouble if we lose the rainforest. Number 5, the writer attempts to involve the reader in the first 2 paragraphs by, please highlight involve the reader first 2 paragraphs. A, frequently using the word you. B, writing from the first person point of view. C, using many convincing numbers and facts. Or D, asking the reader many questions. And number 6, diversity means A, area, B, variety, C, desert, or D, rainwater. Alright, so let's save this screenshot. And we will slide over to the passage. Excuse me. So let's go in and highlight tropical rainforest. And looking at this passage and knowing the topic and having read it before myself, I know that this is a non-fiction piece. Otherwise known as informational text, and we can label this the heading. And we will number our paragraphs. And let's get started reading. Perhaps you have not stepped into a tropical rainforest. Perhaps you have not felt its year-round temperature of 70 to 80 degrees. Perhaps you have not gotten wet in downpours that bring more than 80 inches of rain each year. Perhaps you have not looked up to see a green canopy of leaves that blocks the blue of the sky. Perhaps you have never been there, but the tropical rainforest has come to you. When you smell coffee, eat a banana, or sprinkle cinnamon on your toast, the rainforest comes to you. Alright, so let's back up a little bit. I remember in the questions asking something about the first 2 paragraphs and it pulling the reader in, so I've bracketed that. Let's highlight when you smell coffee, and let's highlight some of the perhaps you. Eat a banana or sprinkle cinnamon, the rainforest comes to you. Coffee beans, bananas, and cinnamon, along with pineapple, mangoes, and chocolate, are all from the tropical rainforest. Even your chewing gum has its origins there. Chicle, the basics for gum, comes from a rainforest tree. Tropical rainforests are found in lands near the equator, such as Brazil and Malaysia. They cover about 2% of the Earth's surface. I feel like this might be important, so we'll highlight that. Many medicines are made from plants that grow in the tropical rainforest. These include drugs for headaches, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Researchers think that there may be many more remedies in the plants there. The tropical rainforest holds much of the Earth's biological diversity. It has 3/4 of all known species of plants and animals. As many as 30 million different kinds of insects live there too. But the Earth is losing its rainforest. Trees are cut for their lumber, land is cleared by fire to make way for crops and cattle. An area about the size of West Virginia is deforested each year. When the trees are gone, the plants are gone. The animals will be gone too. Many people are concerned. They believe that the survival of the rainforest is crucial to the survival of the world. We did not highlight question 1 to go and highlight main idea, a statement that's too broad and a statement that's too narrow. Now what I need you to do is answer your questions on your screenshots and then post your screenshots to Canvas. If you have any questions, as always, please email me, and have a good day.